Welcome to this third podcast, Design Your Life. My name is Benyus. I'm a designer and entrepreneur. I'm here to help you to reach the next level. If you are interested by design, skills, and investment, you are in the right place. Today, let's talk about biomimicry. Enjoy. Biomimicry is an approach that proposes to draw on the genius of living organisms as a source of sustainable innovation. It consists of observing and reproducing the essential properties of one or more biological systems to develop innovative and sustainable forms, materials, and processes. The first to formulate this idea was Leonardo da Vinci, more than 500 years ago. The Italian genius was the first to theorize about biomimicry, taking inspiration from nature to develop technical progress.